For pet lovers, few things are more important to them than the love and care of their pets. Each year, billions of dollars are spent on the more than 74 million dogs, 90 million cats, and millions of assorted animals that Americans have welcomed into their homes. Many of these pets can suffer from the same injuries and illnesses that humans do, and treatment can be expensive.
The procedures for, say, an orthopedic injury from a hit by a car, what have you, can be very, very expensive for your pet and can run into the thousands and thousands of dollars. Another example would be chemotherapy. A lot of the chemotherapeutic agents that are used on the human side are also used on the veterinary side, and those, needless to say, because of their long-term duration, can be very expensive as well.
Most responsible pet owners know they should not let their pets run free, that they should have their pets spayed or neutered, and that they must provide basic health care for their treasured companions. But for many, the growing cost of quality veterinary care, especially for major accidents and illnesses, forces them to make a difficult choice between the optimal care and cost.
One of the hardest things that we see with people that don't have pet insurance coverage is they have a perfectly healthy pet that one day ran out the front door and was hit by a car. It might have a broken leg, but everything else is fine. But they can't afford the surgery to fix the leg, and so instead we end up having to put the animal to sleep because of financial reasons, whereas a simple, perhaps simple surgery but kind of costly, could have been covered. They could have been reimbursed for it and had their pet around for a lot longer.
In order to avoid facing that potential dilemma and allow them to make optimal health care decisions for their pets, many pet owners are turning to pet health insurance.
It allows us to practice the quality medicine we want to practice without having to worry so much about the expense, because clients are willing to do a lot more if they have that added help. As pets are becoming more and more parts of our family, and people are wanting to do more as far as extending their life and improving their quality of life, the insurance is going to get more important.
Well, we had some snail pellets put around the backyard. She ate some of them and started having seizures, so we took her in. They flushed her stomach several times, gave her IV and fluids. But fortunately, we had veterinary pet insurance to help pay some of the bills.
Unlike traditional human health insurance, most pet health insurance policies are property and casualty insurance. So pet health insurance is more like auto insurance, since it reimburses the policyholder a major portion of the cost of an accident or illness.
Well, human health care usually limits you to a network of physicians. You choose off of a list. Pet insurance is completely different, where the individual can choose literally any veterinarian they would like, and they go and receive services from that veterinarian upon their discussion with the vet, and then they pay for services and submit it to the pet insurance company for reimbursement. So that allows them to literally use any veterinarian.
Founded 25 years ago with the goal of ending economic euthanasia of pets, Veterinary Pet Insurance, headquartered in Southern California, is the nation's oldest and largest provider of pet health insurance. Through a variety of policies for dogs, cats, birds, and other exotic pets, VPI's mission is to empower pet owners to make optimal healthcare decisions for their pets.
Veterinary Pet Insurance was founded 25 years ago by a group of veterinarians who believed that in order to practice the quality of care that they wanted as veterinarians, that there needed to be some form of financial assistance or third-party payment system. So the company was founded on money pooled by these individuals who believed in this idea, this concept. And those individuals are still stakeholders in the business today. It's interesting to comment too that in that same 25 years, 50 other competitors have come and gone into the marketplace and have not survived.
I would recommend VPI Pet Insurance to a new owner or a friend. It's a good way to establish a good secure feeling about having your pet, being able to be responsible for your pet, and taking care of your pet, just like any other member of your family.
Obtaining pet insurance is one of several steps pet owners can take to proactively protect the health and happiness of their pet. VPI actively supports programs aimed at educating consumers about issues that affect their pet's health, such as pet obesity and pet cancer awareness.
Veterinary Pet Insurance's mission is to empower pet owners to make optimal health care decisions for their pet We also want to help educate pet owners, and we do that through things like our newsletter to policyholders, our website, and also we have a very active Cancer Awareness Month each year.
As awareness of pet insurance continues to grow, VPI will lead the industry in educating consumers on the benefits of pet health insurance, as well as other ways to protect the growing bond they have with their pets. For more information on how VPI Pet Insurance can help protect you and your pet, visit petinsurance.com or call 1-800-USA-PETS today.